Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by unlocking your iPhone and opening settings, then tap Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode. You will be prompted for your current passcode. Enter it to proceed. Once done, you'll see the Change Passcode option. Tap it. Make sure you already decided which format you want: 6-digit numeric, 4-digit numeric, or a custom alphanumeric code for stronger security. This gets you straight into the sequence to set a new unlock password. You now tap Change Passcode and re-enter your current code. This verifies you. Next, choose Passcode options. This is where you select 6-digit, 4-digit, or custom alphanumeric. Pick the one that matches your security needs. Once selected, type your new passcode carefully and deliberately. Make sure to confirm it on the second prompt. If the entries don't match, the phone will reject the change and ask you to try again. After confirmation, the system will apply the new unlock password. You finish by testing the new passcode. Lock the phone and unlock it to verify it works. Once confirmed, update any password managers or shared device notes so you don't forget. Make sure device management, MDM, or parental controls still function after the change. If you get locked out or forget the new code, use your Apple ID recovery or erase and restore options via Find My iPhone. Contact Apple support if recovery fails. Remember this single troubleshooting tip. Keep your Apple ID credentials handy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.